I'm Chaz from Elevate Coaching, and I also ride professionally for Team Skyline Cadence, which is a UCI Continental team. Today I wanted to cover the workout on threshold. Threshold has been a big topic. It's that time of year where we're starting to actually move into threshold workouts. The way this workout's going to be structured is it's very, very simple. Basically, you just want to get a warm up in. That can be anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. Some people do high cadence work, some people do low cadence, some people just ride endurance, some people kind of ramp into it. Whatever you want to do, just kind of do something to get the legs open and just firing. You don't want to do anything too crazy, otherwise that's going to hurt your workout that's coming up. But for the beginning, just start at a good 20 to 25 minutes worth of warm up. Once you complete your warm up, you're going to now move into the actual workout. And the workout, the way it's going to be structured is I would recommend starting with 3 sets. Now, each set is going to involve the same thing. You're going to have the over portion, the middle portion, and then the rest recovery portion, and that will be one complete set. So for this first set, what you're going to do is you are going to want to do as follows. 2 minutes at kind of the VO2 max range, which will put you about 101% to 111% of your threshold. So that is kind of the target range you want to operate in. You're starting to move a little bit on the higher side of threshold and starting to venture into VO2 max during those first 2 minutes. The reason for this is you're starting to really flood the legs with lactate early on, hard. That's why I kind of call them hard start intervals. But you're going to flood the legs with lactate, and then after doing 2 minutes at this effort, you're going to move into 8 minutes of threshold. Now at that point, you're going to want to do the 8 minutes at 90 to 100% of your FTP or of your threshold. This way you can settle in, allow the body to now, those alarm bells are going off and they're trying to figure out how to buffer and move and shuttle out lactate as quickly as possible, while also now dropping into threshold and still accumulating lactate. So the hope here is to allow your body to actually learn to buffer quicker and get rid of it quicker. That's why this is a perfect threshold workout. And then your rest period is actually going to be about 7 minutes. So 7 minutes, just easy, zone 1. That's pretty much it. Now that's one set. So I would recommend doing 3 sets. If you're finding those are feeling a little bit easy, then you can move into 4 sets. The other thing that you can do while you do this is you want to start to push power if possible. Meaning the first set, you want to try to stay within those target zones. On the second set, you want to hit the 2 minute target as prescribed. And then maybe if you're feeling good on the threshold effort, the 8 minute portion, maybe you just push a little bit. And then on the third set, if you're only doing 3, maybe push a little bit more on those 2 minutes and then try to push a little bit more on the 8 minutes and just really start to maybe try to get above those zones. So you could almost build the power as you move through them. But as always, if you're doing 3 sets, that's how I would recommend it. You think about doing 4, then I would keep the first 2 sets as the same, and then the last 2 sets start to push that power. Because with these intervals, you're not just trying to build your ability at threshold, but these are also going to help you with getting race specific and being ready for either crit racing, road racing, whatever it is. So if you start to learn to actually push the power on these a little bit and make that last one hurt to where you almost feel like you're going to maybe fail, that is a good thing. That is okay. That is what you want to do. You want to be pushing the limits on the last set, definitely maybe on the second to last set as well. Now, outside of that, when you're done with this actual interval workout, the remaining time of your ride, I would highly recommend keeping it controlled and riding at zone 2. Now, zone 2 for that can be anywhere from 60 to 70% of your threshold. You just want to kind of stay in that pocket and just continue to work on aerobic endurance because you did a lot of work with those intervals. Now, my final thought with this workout is here's how many times you actually want to do it per week. I would highly recommend not doing it more than twice a week. And when you do that, you can do it, say, on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, and then repeat the workout on a Saturday. What you really want to do is you want to allow a couple of days of recovery and adaptation in between doing this workout. And the reason being, doing threshold work is extremely costly. There's a lot of good benefits from it, but the fatigue cost is also extremely high. So if you're doing this like with 1 day of rest in between, you're not going to be getting as good of adaptations down the road as if you were waiting 2 to 3 days in between before going hard again. So that is my recommendation on doing this workout. I wouldn't do it more than twice a week. If you're doing it 3 times a week, that's gonna be a little overkill and you're gonna be accumulating far more fatigue than the actual benefits of the workout. So there you have it. There's your hard start workout. Short, sweet, to the point. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments below. If you've tried this workout before, leave them in the comments. If you do it for the first time or you have a similar workout that you've done, leave those in the comments as well. As always, give this video a like if you like it. If you don't, whatever, I get it, makes sense. If you haven't, give the channel a follow. If not, totally fine. Anyways, y'all keep riding and training hard, and I'll see you guys on the next video.